Hi, this is Tammy at Tam's Grandstand Reviews. Today I am going to do a review for a pet tool by the name of Furminator. It looks like this. It comes in a package. This particular tool is for pets weighing less than 10 pounds. It's an expert de-shedding edge design tool to help eliminate pet shedding. The dog on this little is really weird. The dog on this package looks a little bit like my dog. I wanted to use it. It is called the Furminator. They have a website called Furminator.com so that it will walk you through what the tool is, what it does. This will be my first time trying it, so I'm going to let you know what my review is once I've used it. So I cut off the top, and I am going to actually de-box the product. Okay. Cute little design. It's about this big. I'll show you. It's a little tool like this called the Furminator. So you'll see the Furminator. It has a little handle, a little dark handle on it. And let's see what it does with Jose. I'm gonna watch it and I'm gonna use it, okay? It is supposed to be reducing shedding up to 90% because with the weather changing, Jose's been shedding a whole lot, so I need whatever I can. His fur is all over the blankets, pillows, my mouth, my hair. It's just everywhere. So we're going to try the Furminator. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. Here's Jose. You guys can see him. Can you see him? Okay, you can see him. We are going to sit here and Furminate you. This little shedding tool. Never used this before, but here we go. All right, Jose. I'm doing it in the grass so that way I don't have to worry about doing any of the cleanup or anything in the house. So I didn't even read any directions, but here I go. There's a little device under here, I'll show you guys later, that will help remove the hair from the blade. Pretty easy. Let's see. He likes it, obviously. A lot of that hair coming off. Okay. Doesn't seem to mind it very much either. He needs to be rinsed again. This is really kind of cool, you guys. I like this tool. He really seems not to mind. It feels really good on him. He's actually sitting here and taking it. Woo, that's cool. Furminator so far, so good. Look at, he likes that, you guys. Ooh, now I want to show you guys. This little tool here. This little lever here. You see this little lever here? You push it in and it pushes the hair right off. See that? I don't know if I can get that good angle there for that. So what I really like about it is not taking off too much hair from him. So he's not afraid of it. He actually likes it. Gets all that fur off. Wow. That works, Jose. That's what we're going to do for now. Do that for now. I have to. See how comfortable he is with it? He likes it. Furminator, I give you a 9. Yeah. The Furminator. Big old balls off of you. Big old balls. This is a wonderful tool. I like it. Well worth the money. I paid $40 for it. $40.27. Well worth it. He seems to like it too. Don't you, buddy? Don't you, buddy? He just let me do whatever I want with him. It must feel pretty good. Let me see the butt. I'm very glad he likes it too. It makes it much easier on me. You don't have to be a hairstylist, because I basically don't know what I'm doing, but it's working out for us. So. Really good, Furminator. All right, let's see what we got. Do you look tapered? So I'm going to cut Hosea. I'm going to do this in sections because his attention span is very short. I can't do this too long. And I can tell right now he's getting restless. So I'll come back to it and finish him later on. And I'll show you a picture of him, okay? All right. Good dog. Good boy. Go. You go. Where you can stay. Sorry. There you go. Good boy. Jose, you look good. Look, now he looks so much more tapered. Let me get out the shadow. Oh, wow. That looks really good, Jose. Take a look. Good boy. Good boy. The Furminator. Good boy. So that's Jose, and that's our demonstration for the Furminator. Say thank you, Jose. Jose. La-di-da. The Furminator. So there you have it, you guys. Jose's grooming session with the Furminator. You can get it at Pet Supplies. Well, I got mine at Pet Supplies. You can also get it at, PetSmart or the other pet stores, but you can also buy them online. Go to the website www.furminator.com. You can order from there, and it will give you more of a demonstration as to how to use this tool and what to use it for. Also, you guys, you can go right here on YouTube and see a demonstration. I wanted to do my own demonstration because I wanted to actually see if it really worked, and like I said, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 9. I'm very pleased with it. He looks very tapered. I don't even have to take him to the vet because last night I gave him a bath, and now he's all tapered. Thank you, Furminator. Bye, Jose. Say bye. Bye. This tool, it really works. So I would highly recommend it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 9 because it's very easy. My dog looks very tapered and very neat. He doesn't look chopped up like I did last year. I cut him so bad that he just looked so choppy. I had to take him to the vet. And I usually do take him to the vet, but sometimes, why not just, I figure I can wash him and like trim him. But in all reality, trimming a dog is way different than trimming your own hair. So I just went ahead and bought the Furminator. Cost me $40.27 with tax. And like I said, I'm I'm sold. I really like it. I've actually seen it for a while and wanted to get it, but like I said, I've been overtaken with pet hair on my bed, on my couch, on my covers, on my pillowcases, my clothes. I just couldn't take it anymore. So they do say that right here, it reduces shedding up to 90%. It is highly recommended by veterinarians, groomers, and pet professionals. It's designed by a groomer for professional results, so they know, you know, and it is wonderful. It has a steel edge, and it has a little lever right here that helps to push the hair off of the blade once you comb them. And it's easy. It's an easy tool, you guys. So, Furminator. I'll leave some information for you down there in the link. And please go visit their website, www.furminator.com. And here on YouTube, they have a video. So put in Furminator and you'll see what I did. And there you go.